Welcome to the channel phone transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Roblox group and guide you through the full setup process step by step. Now let's get started. Step 1, log into your Roblox account using your username and password so you can access all creation features. Step 2, click on the More option from the side menu, which is usually found on the left side of the Roblox homepage. Step 3, select Communities from the menu, as communities are the new name for Roblox groups. Step 4, click on Create Community at the top of the page to start making your own group. Step 5, click the name box and enter a unique name for your community. Step 6, add a description for the community if you want, explaining what the group is about. Step 7, click Select an image from your computer under the Emblem options to upload a group icon. Step 8, choose an image from your device and click Open to upload it. Step 9, scroll down to Settings and choose whether anyone can join or if manual approval is required. Step 10, review all the details carefully and click the 100 Robux button to create the community. Roblox charges this fee to prevent spam groups. Step 11, select Purchase and confirm the payment to complete the group creation. Once confirmed, your community will be officially created. Step 12, click the 3 dots on the side and select Configure Community to manage your group. Adjust community settings as needed, such as roles, permissions, and member options. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Phone Transformer channel for more helpful Roblox tutorials.